I'm Monty with Dent Science. This customer had an impact with a deer. The only area where the paint was split was right there by the grand emblem, but the rest of the paint was in good condition, which makes this a good candidate for the paintless dent repair method. As you can see through the fender here, it has a body line dent, a couple of areas of the fender, but I was able to get behind here and massage and sculpt this metal back into shape. I did all this at the convenience of the owner's home. No bondo, no paint, no hassle, economical price, and at the convenience of the owner's schedule. Give me a call or a text if you have any questions, concerns, or send me your dent photos for an estimate.